Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss about some important and latest off-campus hiring opportunity for fresher and experienced candidates. So guys, we have multiple openings from MNC and startup companies. So I'm just requesting you don't skip any part of this video. Otherwise you can miss out the opportunity that is more relevant to your resume and your interest. Okay. First opportunity we have from SCL Tech for the role of ServiceNow. And as you can see that highest qualification should be BTech, BE, CS, IT only. Okay, and this opportunity is only for 2024 batch graduates only, and work location will be Noida, Chennai, and you should have minimum 70% throughout in all academics, like in 10, 12, diploma, graduation you should have 70% and with no active backlogs. And apart from that you should have CAD certification is mandatory here also. Okay, and you just have to fill this form like name, contact number, email ID, and your SCL application number. This is optional, you can left this column if you don't have, and then you have to fill 10th percentage, 12th and highest qualification, and then you have to submit only. Okay, by clicking on submit form. Next opportunity we have from Indigo for the role of full stack developer, and we both fresher and experienced candidate are eligible for this job and we can apply. Okay, work location will be Gurugram. And if you see the requirement here, you should have bachelor degree in computer science, engineering or related field, and if we are fresher and if we have experience up to 3 years as a full stack developer, we are eligible for this job. Okay, proficiency in front end technology including JavaScript framework, including React.js, AngularJS, HTML5, CSS. Okay, and also we should have knowledge in back end programming language like Node.js, Python, Go. Okay, apart from that basic communication skill, problem solving skill and analytical skill is also required. If you have these skills, we can apply for this job. Next opportunity we have from Cognizant for the role of project associate, and this job is totally for fresher 2024 graduate candidates only. As you can see that eligibility is fresher and graduate. Okay, and work location will be Gurgaon, and if you see here is there is no specific skill mentioned, but there is a requirement mentioned like bachelor in computer science, engineering or equivalent. Okay, so if you have degree in computer science, engineering in bachelor, so you are eligible for this job, you can apply. Next opportunity we have from Qualcomm for the role of engineer, and this is one of the most important off-campus hiring opportunity for fresher, I can say. And work location will be Hyderabad, Telangana. And if you see that there is no specific skill mentioned for this job, and there is only minimum qualification mentioned like bachelor degree in engineering, IT system, computer science related field. Okay, if you have this degree, you can eligible for this job. Okay, and apart from that you can see that algorithm, C++, programming and computer engineering, C++, hardware test, HDL skill is also required. If you have these, you can simply apply for this job role. Next opportunity we have for the role of machine learning engineering intensive. This is also for fresher candidates, and you can apply this job by 6 July 2024, and you can get stipend from 6,000 to 8,000, and duration of this intensive is 2 months. Okay, and there is 2 opening. Work location will be remote, and skill mandatory is Python, machine learning, and company name is Tectora Consulting Private Limited, Kolkata. Next opportunity we have from Genpact for the role of consultant Java full stack developer, and for this job role only fresher candidates are eligible. As you can see that in the eligibility section fresher is mentioned, and work location will be Noida. And if you see the qualification requirement, minimum education in BA, BS degree is related subject area or equivalent experience. Okay, and apart from that experience dealing technical requirements, proficient at multitasking, proactive in work responsibilities. Here also preferred skill requirements there. This will look little scary for you, but I will suggest you apply anyway. Next opportunity we have from Microsoft for the role of software engineer, and work location will be Bangalore, and eligibility criteria is fresher. Okay, and if you see the qualification requirement, we should have bachelor degree in computer science or any related technical discipline, and apart from that we should have proven experience in coding in any language but not limited to C, C++, C#, Java, JavaScript or Python or equivalent experience. Okay, and here you can see also preferred skills also, but you should apply anyway. If you don't have any skill that is mentioned here, just apply anyway. Okay, next and last opportunity we have from Airbus for the role of software associate engineer. Work location will be Bangalore, and eligibility is fresher. Okay, and if you see that very basic skill requirement we need for this job like programming knowledge in ASI is required, and analytical skill, and apart from that, knowledge of microprocessors. And this is a full-time permanent opportunity for fresher. This is an entry-level job. Okay, so you can apply this job also. So all of the job that I have discussed in this video, you will get links in the description. You can apply. Till then, I will get new opportunities for you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.